45 questions on Abraham. Nobody has passed question 38 yet. Think you can? Let's find out.
First question. What was Abraham's original name? Abram. Next question. Where was Abraham originally from? Ur of the Chaldeans. Next question. Who was Abraham's wife? Sarah. Next question. How many sons did Abraham have with Sarah? 1. Next question. What did God ask Abraham to sacrifice? His son. Next question. Which country did Abraham go to during a famine? Egypt. Next question. Who was Abraham's nephew? Lot. Next question. What was the name of Abraham's son by Hagar? Ishmael. Next question. What did God change Sarai's name to? Sarah. Next question. Who was Abraham's father? Terah. Next question. In which land did Abraham settle? Canaan. Next question. What sign did God give as his covenant with Abraham? Circumcision. Next question. How old was Abraham when Isaac was born? 100. Next question. What was the name of the mountain where Abraham went to sacrifice Isaac? Mount Moriah. Next question. Who stopped Abraham from sacrificing Isaac? An angel of God. You're doing great, halfway through. If you're enjoying the quiz, hit subscribe and the like button. New Bible quizzes drop every Tuesday and Friday, and you don't want to miss them. It only takes 2 seconds. Go ahead. Now let's keep going. Next question. How old was Abraham when God first called him? 75. Next question. What did the 3 visitors promise Abraham? A son. Next question. Who was Abraham's second wife after Sarah died? Keturah. Next question. How many children did Abraham have with Keturah? 6. Next question. What city was Lot living in when God destroyed it? Sodom. Next question. Who was the king of Salem that Abraham paid tithes to? Melchizedek. Next question. What fraction of his spoils did Abraham give to Melchizedek? 1/10. Next question. What did Sarah do when she heard she would have a son? She laughed. Next question. Which direction did Lot's wife look that turned her to salt? Behind her. Next question. What animal did God provide as a substitute for Isaac? A ram. Next question. How many trained men did Abraham use to rescue Lot? 318. Next question. Where did Hagar and Ishmael go after being sent away by Abraham? The desert of Paran. Next question. What was the name of Abraham's brother who died before him? Haran. Next question. Which king did Abraham lie to about Sarah being his sister? Abimelech. Next question. How old did Abraham live to be? 175. Bonus question. If you had to pick one verse to help you explain the Christian message, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. Next question. What were the names of the 5 kings defeated in the battle where Lot was captured? Kings of Sodom, Gomorrah, Admah, Zeboiim, and Zoar. Next question. What was the name of Abraham's servant sent to find Isaac a wife? Eliezer. Next question. Where did Sarah die? Hebron. Next question. What was the name of the field Abraham bought to bury Sarah? Machpelah. Next question. Who was the original owner of the field Abraham bought? Ephron. Next question. How much silver did Abraham pay for the burial field? 400 shekels. Next question. What was the name of the valley where Abraham met the king of Sodom after battle? Sheva. Next question. Which of Abraham's sons carried the wood for his own sacrifice? Isaac. Next question. What was the name of the place Abraham called the mountain where he sacrificed? Jehovah Jireh. Next question. How many years did Abraham live in Canaan before Isaac was born? 25. Next question. Which of Abraham's sons became the father of 12 princes? Ishmael. Next question. What was Abraham's response when God told him to leave his country? He obeyed immediately. Next question. Who in the New Testament calls Abraham our father? Paul in Romans. Next question. In which New Testament book is Abraham called friend of God? James. Last question. How many times did God appear to Abraham throughout his life? 7. That's a wrap. Comment your score below right now. How many did you get right out of 15? If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe for more Bible quizzes every week. God bless you. See you in the next one.